Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this Swot infographic design using PowerPoint, and it's an amazing design as you can see. I'm gonna show you how to make this in only 6 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end. You can download this video, the template for free if you want from the link in the description. All you need to do is comment down and I'll send you the link. So first of all, open up a blank slide and insert a circle, and it has to be a large circle. Remove its outline and duplicate it and place it like 4 times. Increase its size, increase its width. Place them right here. Arrange them horizontally and arrange them vertically. Go to shape format. For the first circle, change its color using eyedropper. Let me adjust the colors for each of them. There you go. You're gonna go to select all of them and increase the transparency rate to 10%. And you're gonna give them a suitable gap. And the next thing you're gonna do is insert a small circle on top into the center of each of the circle. Change the color as similar to the colors of the large circles. Duplicate them and place it 4 times on top of each of the large circle. Select all these and move them a little bit downwards. Go to shapes and insert a line. You're gonna go to weight of line, and you're gonna increase its width and give it dashes and the circle dotted arrows. And you're gonna go again to weight and let's increase its weight and go to line and let's give it a dotted line. Duplicate it and place it below each of the circle and change the color of each of the circle and along with the line as similar to the color of the circle and the large circle. There you go. So I'm going to use this baby pink color for the line and circle. For the last one, I'm going to use skin color. And there you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is duplicate each of these small circles and put them right here onto the top corner, the top left corner of the large circle. Change their color according to the same of these large circle. Let's increase the transparency rate of these large circles to 24 to make our small circles visible. Insert a text box in which you're gonna write S, W, O, and T. For each of the small circles, you're gonna put them in, change their color to white, and you're gonna change their you're gonna change their font and bold them, increase its size, put each of them into each of the circle. There you go. And the next thing you're gonna do is go to insert tab and icons, and from here you're gonna insert about four of some special icons. I'm gonna choose these icons. Let me see. So let's insert them. Decrease the size. Go to graphics fill and change the fill to white and place each of them into small circles. There you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is go to insert tab and insert a text box in which you're gonna give the header and the full form of each of the alphabets of the letter SWOT. For the first one, we're gonna write strengths. For the second one, we're gonna write weaknesses. And for the third one, we're gonna write opportunities. And there you go. And for the fourth one, we're gonna write threats. There you go. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is go to shapes and set a rectangle right below the each of the header. Change its color to white, remove its outline, and decrease its size a little bit. duplicate it, place it below each of the headers. So this is how it looks. Now what I'm gonna do next is paste my content body text. Let's decrease its size, change its color to white, and place it under each of the headers. So right now I'm gonna use a placeholding text, which is Laura Ipsum. And there you go. Let's duplicate it and place it below each of the title. So that was all for today. And if you like the video, be sure to share it with your friends and support us fully. And be sure to comment down to let us know about your opinions. And you can download this template for free from the link in the description. Just ask for this template, and I'll give you I'll send you the link.